The 10 step framework to close high ticket sales consistently. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic on how to develop a structured step by step framework to consistently close your premium deals. If you have been struggling with premium selling or feel quite uncertain about how to convince clients to invest in high ticket products or services, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will walk away with a proven framework that has helped many professionals across industries to close premium deals, including real life examples from the Indian market. So let's get started. Understand your audience. The who. The first step in premium selling is identifying who your ideal customer is. Premium buyers are value driven, not price driven. They care about the transformation your product or service provides. Create a detailed buyer persona that includes income level, pain points, and decision making behavior. Craft a unique value proposition, the why. To sell a premium offering, you need to clearly articulate why your product or service stands out from the rest. Highlight the exclusivity, the tangible benefits, and the emotional value. Use a simple formula: benefit plus outcome plus emotion. Our service helps, like you can say, to double their revenue in 12 months while giving you peace of mind. So that's one way of putting it up. Build trust and credibility, the what. Premium buyers invest in trust. Showcase your track record, testimonials, certifications, or case studies to build your credibility. Highlight client success stories that resonate with your target audience. Use before and after comparisons to show the transformations you deliver. Qualify your leads effectively, the who's, the serious buyers. Not every prospect is a good fit for your premium offering. You need to focus on high intent buyers who are ready to invest. Use qualifying questions like, what specific challenges are you facing? Or what's your budget for solving this problem, to filter out non-serious inquiries. Step 5. Create a value offer. Position your product or service as a solution to the customer's deepest pain points. Break down what they will receive and the outcomes they can expect. Bundle value added services like priority support, exclusive bonuses, extended warranties to make your offer irresistible. Deliver a powerful sales presentation, the convincer. Your pitch is where you tie everything together like value, credibility, and results. Focus on storytelling and personalization. Structure your presentation as a journey: the problem, the solution, and the results, and why you. Handle objections confidently, the closer. Expect objections like price concerns, timing issues, or skepticism. Address them head on with empathy and facts. Use the feel felt found method. I understand how you feel. Others felt the same initially, but they found it was worth it. Use scarcity and urgency, the nudge. Premium buyers are motivated by exclusivity and urgency. Create a sense of scarcity to prompt actions. Use phrases like, we are only accepting 10 clients this month, or this offer is expiring in 48 hours, or we have limitation in onboarding the clients. Follow up and close the deal, the final push. Don't leave money on the table. Follow up with prospects who showed interest but didn't buy immediately. Send a personalized follow-up message summarizing the value discussed and addressing any remaining concerns. Step 10, the last one, building long-term relationships, the aftermath. Closing the deal is just the beginning. Build loyalty and turn premium buyers into your brand ambassadors and advocates. Offer post-sale check-ins, loyalty rewards, or exclusive updates to your premium clients. So the conclusion. Let's recap. Quickly, the 10 steps. Understand your audience, craft a unique value proposition, build trust, qualify leads, create high value offer, deliver a powerful presentation, handle objections, use scarcity follow-up, and build your relationship. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who's looking to level up their premium sales game. Don't forget to subscribe for such more meaningful insights. Which step do you think is the most challenging? Let me know in the comment section below.